Hello guys and welcome once again. Today further works were done to the walls and to the concrete floor of the bathroom. These walls have never been this straight, although it's still some way to go. And here you can see how for now the shower area looks, and that angle which will not allow any water to be stagnant. Hopefully in the end it will all be really nice. Here again it's a straight line. I suppose it will be continued further on with more material in the future as this one sets. The good thing is that I purchased a golden bathroom drain, because that one from AliExpress will come in about 4 or 5 weeks, and that would have meant to wait that long for this plumbing area to be done. And although I had to pay like with 150% more than on AliExpress, I went for it, and that's it. When I will receive the other one, I'll see, maybe I will resell it. Also there, the head of the shower end, the one that will mimic the rain, will be. And here also you can see how the walls have been prepared to have the mosaic applied on them. I really hope it will look perfect, or let's say, if nothing is perfect, at least it would look very good, because I spent a lot of money on it. This, I really hope this will be leveled as well. I don't know, it doesn't look like a walk-in shower with that step, but who knows, I'll have to see or accept how it will be. Also, more plaster has been placed on the walls of the lobby. You can see right here that wooden beam was taken out. So you can see the difference, and also in the kitchen area. And this is pretty much it. Also, I see on this area where the kitchen mosaic will be, also more material was added. Well, thanks a lot for watching me. I really appreciate all your support. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comment section below. I promise I will answer to each and every one of them. Until next time, thank you so much for watching. I wish you all the best and take care wherever you are. Bye bye.